Who is that in MBOC?
Hi, Your Honor. This is Mr. Williams.
Philip
Yes, ma'am.
Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we're gonna do the same task. We're gonna hold our ID up to Mr. Cooper here. Name your name and number and anything else.
Morning, Matthew.
Good to go. Go home. Yeah. Way down in the parking lot. Yeah, down in the parking lot.
Looking at the docket, I think it's like 17 or 18 PCC. Oh, wait a minute. And you see how many are CCWs? I'm ready to call whenever you guys are. Ready? Ready, Matt?
I'm ready.
Ready, Martez, top?
Ready.
Calling case number 2056833, the people of the state of Michigan versus Martez Top. Defendant is charged with count 1, controlled substance possession, cocaine, heroin, or another narcotic less than 25 grams. Count 2, operating license suspended, revoked, denied. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Matthew Soloff on behalf of the people, 383358.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Antonio D. Tuttles, on behalf of my client, that is Mr. Top, who is physically not present. I asked the court to waive his physical presence. I did talk to Mr. Top yesterday, so I'm in constant contact with him, Your Honor. Today is the PCC. I asked the court to, because I don't have discovery, to adjourn the PCC or set a preliminary examination, whatever the court's policy is.
The court will waive his presence for the purpose of the hearing. Met for preliminary exams. September 14th to 10th, how many witnesses?
I apologize, Your Honor. Did you say December 14th?
No, September 14th. And one witness, Your Honor. Oh, at 10:45.
14. That looks clear. That's good for me. At 10:45.
Yep.
Mr. Tuttles, I believe discovery was sent yesterday, so please check your email. If you did not receive it, please let me know and I'll resend it for you.
Oh, okay. When my clerk get in, I haven't checked. If it's an issue, I'll give you a call.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Your Honor, to you and your staff, have a great day and please stay safe.
All right, you too now. Take care.
Okay, everybody else stay safe as well.
You too, thank you.
Thank you.
Ready on Ozell Bradford. Case number 2156259, the people of the state of Michigan versus Ozell Bradford. Defendant is charged with count 1, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault. Count 2, assault or assault and battery. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
On your honor, Soloff on behalf of the people, 383358.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney John Harris, appearing on behalf of Ozell Bradford, P43658.
Mr. Bradford on Zoom?
He is not, Your Honor. Asked that the court will waive his appearance for purposes of this probable cause conference. I have attempted to reach him on several occasions, having left several messages with him. I will reach out to pretrial services. I'm not able to reach them this week, but ask that you waive his appearance for purposes of this hearing, Your Honor.
All right, we'll waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing. What's your pleasure?
That we set for preliminary examination and that we have a request for discovery, both paper and video, sent to me, please.
How many witnesses?
One, Your Honor.
Angry, let me know, especially that one. Give him a Snickers or something.
July 26th at 9:45.
Just give me 1 second, please. July 26th at 9:45.
Oh, wait. Make that 9:15.
That works. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Mr. Harris, I believe discovery was sent yesterday by a coworker of mine, so please check your email. If you did not receive it, please let me know and I'll resend it for you.
Could you put your email address in the chat box for me?
I don't have access to chat. I'm in the courtroom.
Okay.
My
Can you give it to me?
email address-
Yeah, please, very quickly.
My email address is msola, so that's M as in Matthew, S as in Sam, T as in Tom, O as in Oscar, L as in Larry, O as in Oscar, F as in Frank, at waynecounty.com.
Got it. Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you, Your Honor.
Your Honor, Your Honor, Douglas Gibbons is logged in, Your Honor. Douglas Gibbons.
Douglas.
Yes, I had a hearing today at 8:30, Your Honor.
Oh, you have to wait for your attorney, sir.
Okay, but I'm here. I just wanted to let the judge know I'm here.
Okay,
Thank you.
And that one's especially signed.
yeah. It's just special.
Adrian.
Ready on DeAndre Lloyd,
Yes.
calling case number 21-56255, the people of the state of Michigan versus DeAndre Lloyd. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Matthew Soloff on behalf of the people, P83358.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Daniel Wazak. My bar number is P35225. I am standing in for Ms. Susan Dunn on this PCC, and we are requesting an exam date.
How many witnesses? August 9th, 9:45.
That's a good date, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Stoloff, Ms. Dunn is just getting back into town this morning. She will check her email for the discovery if it has been sent already.
Very good. That should have been sent yesterday.
All right, I'll let her know when she gets back in town. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Ready on Mercedes Birdsong,
Ready,
calling case number 20-62558, the people of the state of Michigan versus Mercedes Birdsong. Defendant is charged with count 1, count 2, and count 3, controlled substance, delivery, manufacturing, cocaine, heroin, or another narcotic less than 50 grams. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
morning, Your Honor. May it please the court, Richard Cunningham, P29735, Assistant Attorney General on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Patrick Nineheist, P76343, on behalf of Ms. Birdsong, who's not present. I'm asking to waive her presence for this probable cause conference.
For waive her appearance for the purpose of this hearing. What's your pleasure?
Judge, Mr. Cunningham supplied me almost all the discovery, so I'm just asking for a live exam, and then I will schedule a time to pick up the rest of the discovery with Mr. Cunningham shortly.
Your Honor, if I could, may at this point out that there's a co-defendant on this case, The co-defendant had a PCC in front of Judge Kenneth King on Monday. And Judge King set the live exam for September 2nd and said that he will be sending the file to you. The defendant on that case in front of Judge King was Michael Williams. Michael Williams is the co-defendant on this case. Both defendants were charged in the same, with the same counts for the same incident.
All right, hold on, we gotta pull it up.
But he has the older case?
Yes, no mistake.
Well, I don't know, I'm just trying to find it. But if he's already, too many. When was it hurt? What day was it? He said Monday?
He was, had the PCC this past Monday, the 5th, April 5th. And it was in front of Judge King, Michael Williams.
Okay, I found it. Oh, wow. Nobody updated it. This is 262557. What is our? It's one number off. They have 7, we have 8.
Go back to King then. All right, Mr. Cunningham, we got to send this back to Judge King. He has the oldest case number.
Fine, Your Honor.
All right.
So Judge, log out for you and log into Judge King.
Yes, we'll send it over there.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Should we go over there right now, Your Honor? Or
Yes.
be notified?
Yeah, you can go over there now, because we're gonna send it to the file over right now. We're calling him now.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Do I leave?
Yeah, he said. It's 200. 625. Oh, 5701. Yeah. All right, ready on Tyke Kirkland?
Yes.
Calling case number 2156158, the people of the state of Michigan versus Tyke Kirkland. Defendant is charged with count 1, controlled substance, possession, cocaine, heroin, or another narcotic less than 25 grams. Count 2, controlled substance, possession. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause, Counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Matthew Soloff on behalf of the people, P8335.
William Glenn on behalf of Mr. Kirkland, P36794. I don't see Mr. Kirkland on Zoom. I would ask the court for permission to waive his presence.
All right, court will waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing. What's your pleasure?
I would ask the court for an exam date.
Coming witnesses? August 10th at 9:45.
That's fine, Your Honor.
All right, bonds continue.
Thank you.
Excuse me, could I please check in, Madam Clerk?
Okay, she had to step away to take the file next to. She'll be right back. Hold on, please.
Thank you.
Do I leave now?
Your hearing's over, Mr. Lloyd.
I understand what happened, what was said, and nothing. I ain't here.
Just set a preliminary exam date. Gonna have to contact your attorney.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay.
Ready on Nelson Butler.
Good morning.
Calling case number 2156154, the people of the state of Michigan versus Nelson Butler. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Matthew Soloff on behalf of the people, P83358.
May it please this honorable court, Attorney Kenneth Seabury, P65523, on behalf of Mr. Nelson Butler.
All right, Mr. Butler, present on Zoom.
I believe
Yes, I
so,
am.
Judge.
Mr. Butler, state your name for the record, please.
Nelson Butler.
Thank you, sir. It's a pleasure, counsel.
Yes, Judge. We want to set for in-person preliminary exam, and we do need discovery, written and electronic discovery in this matter, Judge.
All right. How many witnesses?
None for defense, Judge.
Parties available August 10th at 9:15.
Yeah.
One moment, Judge.
Sure.
That's a good time and date for us, Judge.
All right. And bonds continued. We'll see you then.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Mr.
Judge.
Seabury.
You and your staff remain safe.
Mr. Seabury, discovery should have been sent yesterday by a coworker of mine, so please check your email. If you did not receive it, please let me know and I'll have it resent for you.
Do you have a number,
What do you mean by a number?
a phone number, sir?
My desk number is 313-224-2775.
Thank you so much. You and your staff remain safe.
Take care now.
Thank you.
Ready on Jalen Larkin.
Yes.
Is Reggie on?
I'm here, Kitty.
Okay. Calling case number 2156161, the people of the state of Michigan versus Jalen Larkin. Defendant is charged with count 1, stolen property, receiving and concealing motor vehicle. Count 2, motor vehicle, unlawful driving away. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
And good morning, Your Honor. Staff may please this most honorable court, Reginald Andrew, P number 0354, on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Daniel Batar on behalf of Mr. Jalen Larkin, P62191. I'm not sure if he's on. Mr. Larkin, are you on Zoom? No response, Judge. I would ask you to waive his presence, set this matter for an in-person exam. And Reggie, I do not have discovery yet.
I'll get that to you today.
Thank you.
For waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing. How many witnesses?
2, Your Honor.
Just so you know, Judge, I'm not available the week of August 9th. I heard you giving some dates during that week.
All right. September 14th at 11 o'clock.
September 14th at 11 is fine, Judge.
That's September, you get, right? Yep.
Yes, September.
Okay, I just want to make sure you got it right.
Yes, sir.
All right, I'll continue.
Thank you. Everyone stay well.
Thank you.
Thank you too.
Excuse me, Madam Clerk, could I check in with you, please?
Yeah, yes, is there any other attorneys that need to check in that haven't checked in?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Madam Clerk.
One at a time.
Okay, Madam Clerk, this is Henry Schneider with NDS. I'm checking in on Donovan Appling.
I'm here.
Okay, I got you.
Thank
This
you.
is Francis Murphy. I'm checking in on Dasha Wilson.
Wilson, okay, I got you.
Good morning, it's Leslie Cooper regarding the exam this afternoon on Mr. This is Juwan Williams, and we're seeking the judge's permission to have a witness appear via Zoom because of her illness.
Attorney McWilliams is here on that case. Good morning.
Thank you.
I'm Good morning, Madam Clerk. This is Abby McIntyre. I'm the special prosecutor on the Douglas Gibbons matter.
Douglas Gibbons. Oh. Okay, the attorney hasn't checked in yet.
I believe Mr. Parker just logged on.
Okay, he hasn't checked in yet, but okay.
Madam Clerk, this is Attorney Vincent Toussaint. I put in chat, I'm here for Mr. Kenneth Harris.
All right, I got you, Mr. Toussaint. Who else hasn't checked in?
Good morning, Madam Clerk. This is Warren McAlpine. I'm checking in for Yasmin Harris. It's set for an in-person. I have not heard from her. I don't know if the judge wants me to.
No, she was on Zoom early this morning. It's an in-person exam at 9:15.
Yeah.
So I told her and she said she was on her way here. She'll be here.
Okay, well then I'll head down to the court because I have not heard from her. So, okay, I'll be on my way. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Good morning, Madam Clerk. This is Robert Cantor checking in for Rico Stinson, PCC.
Okay, I got you.
I'm not sure if he's in the jail or not. I have him on personal bond, but I haven't been able to reach him. Is he on your jail list?
Actually, he's in custody somewhere else.
Oh, okay. All right. We'll see what we can do.
Okay, who's next? Checking in.
James Parker's here. Good morning.
Good morning. Who you on, Mr. Parker?
and Mr. Gibbons and Mr. Mojet, M-O-J-E-T, both for PCC.
All right, I have you, Mr. Parker.
Thank you.
Any other attorney need to check in? Is there an attorney on Philip Williams that hasn't checked in? That's my MBOC. All right, good work.
Mr. Kuja.
Huh?
Mr. Kuja.
Yeah, he apparently he hasn't checked in. Yeah. Ready on Deontay Biffle? Calling case number 2155799, the people of the state of Michigan versus Deontay Biffle. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Matthew Stoloff on behalf of people, P83358.
Your Honor, may it please this honorable court, Larry Polk on behalf of Deontay Biffle, who is present. My P number is 48164. Mr. Biffle, would you say your name for the record, please?
Deontay Maurice Biffle.
At this time, Judge, we're asking to have this matter set for a preliminary exam. I'm asking the prosecutor, if he has not already tendered discovery, to please tender it in this matter.
Mr. Polk, paper and the discovery should have been sent to you yesterday.
Okay, thank you very much.
August 11th at 9:15.
1 second, thank you, Judge.
All right.
That's a good day, Judge.
All right.
Good morning, Your Honor. I have Rashid Johnson. He's in the waiting room. Nobody's in my waiting room. Well, he was.
Ready on Jalen Hussey? Calling case number 2057247, the people of the state of Michigan versus Jalen Hussey. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Good morning, Your Honor. Matthew Stoloff on behalf of people, P83358.
I'm here. May it please this honorable court, Larry Polk on behalf of Mr. Jalen Hussey, who is present. Mr. Hussey, would you state your name for the record, please?
Jalen Hussey.
So, Judge, today is the date and time set for in-person preliminary exam. I have tendered some time ago a gun board request as it relates to the diversion program for Mr. Hussey. I'd ask the prosecutor, do you have anything in your file reflecting any type of response to my request?
Give me one moment, Mr. Polk. I'll take a look for you. I do not see anything from the gun board, Mr. Polk.
Okay. So at this time, Judge, based upon the way that they go about the diversion program, if you hold the exam, then you knock yourself out of the opportunity for diversion. My client is waiving his preliminary exam.
Let me let no objection, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Hussey, you understand you have a statutory right to preliminary exam where the state must show by probable cause a crime was committed and probable cause you had something to do with committing that crime. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
Anybody promise you anything or threaten you in any way to get you to waive your right to preliminary exam?
Pardon, Your Honor, I couldn't quite hear you.
Okay. Did anyone promise you anything, or did anyone threaten you in any way to get you to waive your right to preliminary exam?
No.
You're waiving your right freely and voluntarily after having opportunity to talk to your attorney about it.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have any objection to the court signing your name to the waiver form?
Yes.
Do you,
Come down here and sign it yourself?
do you object to the judge signing? You've agreed to
Oh,
it
no.
now.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
I thought I was asked for consent to sign.
All right, that's all right. Mr. Polk, do you have any objection to me signing your name to the waiver form?
Absolutely not, Judge.
All right, the court finds you freely and voluntarily waive your right to preliminary exam as bound over the Wayne County Circuit Court Criminal Division for arraignment on the information, be April 21st at 9:00 a.m.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Last continue.
Have a good day.
You too, be safe.
Leslie, Cooper, it was,
Yeah, you finished, you sign off.
Right here.
I'm sorry, it was Deron Williams, right?
Yeah, Ron Williams, who's scheduled at 2 this afternoon.
Okay. Calling case number 2155697, the people of the state of Michigan versus Deron Williams. Defendant is charged with count 1, homicide, murder, first degree premeditated, count 2, weapons, firearms, possession by a felon, count 3, count 4, weapons, felony, firearm, habitual offender, fourth notice, mandatory 25-year sentence. This matter is here on examination.
Good morning, Judge. Leslie Cooper on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney John McWilliams, P-17-565 on behalf of Mr. Williams. Your Honor, I'm reluctant to waive his presence, this being quite an important matter. I understand what's going on here, and I think maybe you should hear it.
Judge, we learned yesterday.
Hold on, Ms. Cooper. We're gonna have to get him on Zoom then. We have to get the jail to bring him in.
Mr. McWilliams.
He wants his client here for this hearing.
This matter is scheduled for hearing preliminary exam at 2 o'clock, I believe, Your Honor. That's when they were going to bring him up.
Right. Well, this is a motion hearing, right?
Essentially, Judge, yes. And it's because a witness is ill, unavailable to come into the courthouse. If she has a fever, she'll never get past the front door. So we're asking that the court permit her to be present on Zoom. And just so Mr. McWilliams understands, she's not an identifier. She's only an eyewitness to the event that was also captured on video. So she's there to set the scene so that we can play the video of what happened during this homicide. It was caught at a green light station. So I'm just asking the court's consent to allow her to Zoom in if she's able to.
Hold on, he's here. Just gotta bring him up.
Okay, thank you.
All right, they're bringing him up.
We're bringing him up now.
Thank you. Standing by.
Deron Williams. Okay. Yeah. I didn't, you weren't in here, so I called.
Okay.
They was like,
No, that's
"Yeah,
cool.
he told me." I was like, oh, he wasn't in here.
Yes, he is.
I didn't call him. Mr. Kuja, did you need to go in the break room with your client?
Yes, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Madam Clerk, may I check in, please?
Sure.
I have Duran King. He is set for a PCC this morning.
Okay, I have you check in.
So he has been transferred to MDOC. So
I can't, anything you just said,
Pardon?
I can't hear you.
Oh, I said he has been transferred to MDOC. So,
Okay.
even though he's in custody, I think we're gonna need to adjourn today's date because I won't be able to waive his exam or set it, and I don't have discovery.
I have you checked in, Counselor.
Thank you.
You're welcome. She's talking about King, Duran King.
Good morning, Madam Clerk. Is it possible to get a breakout room with my client, Mr. Wiseman?
Thank you. Mr. Wiseman. All right.
I'm sorry, did you call DeAndre Wiseman?
No, he just went into a breakout room with his attorney.
No, I'm his attorney.
Someone else just checked in and asked about him. Are you retained?
I am.
You have an appearance?
Oh, yeah, she.
Yes.
Yeah. I don't know.
I'll put you in the room with them.
Thank you.
Oh, I couldn't see her last name.
All right, back on the record on 2155697, people of the state of Michigan versus Darren Dwayne Williams.
Morning, Judge Leslie Cooper on behalf of the people.
John McWilliams for Mr. Williams, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Williams, state your name, please, for the record. Ronald Williams. Thank you. All right, now Ms. Cooper, you can go ahead.
Yes, Judge. We have a witness, an eyewitness to the events underlying this case, who has indicated that she is ill with a high fever and will not be able to enter the building today. I'm asking the court's consent to allow her to be on Zoom so that she could be questioned and cross-examined before the court. She is not an identifying witness.
Mr. McWilliams?
Yes, Your Honor. On behalf of Mr. Williams, Your Honor, I have standing instructions from my client that under circumstances such as this to file an objection. This is a very serious first-degree premeditated homicide exam set for this afternoon for a number of months. And I object on the basis of confrontation for and on behalf of my client, Mr. Williams, unless he would say to me at this particular time that he would consent to the Zoom witness testifying.
Any brief rebuttal?
No, Judge.
All right, well, this is my decision at this point. And I'm going to allow the witness to testify via Zoom. And she's not an identifying witness, so there's no issue there. If she was identifying witness, that'd be a little different. But because she's not an identifying witness, the court's going to allow her testimony. I'm not going to put my staff and everybody else in this building at risk saying that she has to come in here. So I'll allow her to testify via Zoom. So
Thank you, Judge.
Your Honor.
We'll be back at 2 o'clock for the exam.
Thank you.
Thank you,
All
Judge.
right, thank
I'll be down early to see Mr. Williams.
Okay.
Thank you.
Did you hear that, Mr. Williams? Okay. Okay, Wiseman is in the break room. And Williams is in the break room, right? We ready on Pauling?
Appling?
Yes.
Oh, Appling, sorry. Calling case number 2156288, the people of the state of Michigan versus Donovan Appling. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. On behalf of the people, PA 3658.
And good morning, Your Honor. Neighborhood Defender Service of Detroit by Henry Schneider, P82476 for Mr. Donovan Appling, who is present on Zoom.
Mr. Appling, state your name, please.
Donovan McHale Appling.
Turn your video on, please.
I couldn't hear you.
Turn your video on, please.
My video don't work. My phone messed up. My daughter broke it a long time ago.
How do I know it's your client? How do you know it's your client?
Well, Your Honor, I do recognize Mr. Appling's voice. I did receive a voicemail from him this morning. The voice is familiar. I believe that is Mr. Appling. So I would ask that you allow us to proceed this way for today.
All right, what's your pleasure?
Your Honor, we're asking for a live examination date in this case.
How many witnesses?
Two, Your Honor. One officer. Correct, Your Honor. One officer made the observation, one officer made the recovery. May be able to do it with one, depending on the officer who made the recovery also made the observation, or
No.
All right, August 12th at 9:15.
That works, Your Honor.
Mr. Carter, discovery was sent to you at discovery@ndsdetroit.org. So please check your office and it should have been received. Or should have been sent.
Thank you. I did receive it.
All right, Ronald, continue.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
And Mr. Appling, I'll call you this afternoon.
Yes, sir.
So he's checking on the 9 o'clock.
Okay.
She's on there.
Huh?
She's on,
Who?
what, the party?
That's Mr. F.
Oh.
Around 9 o'clock? It's Mr.
I
F.
thought, who was Mr. Ronald?
Madam Clerk?
She's taking on King.
She's on King. There's 2 Kings. Brian King is on 9 o'clock exam.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay, I'm looking at the wrong one. Okay. Thank you.
I'm sorry, who said something?
That was me. I'm done with Mr. Williams, Philip Williams from the MDOC. He wants his exam, but he's okay with doing it over Zoom. I'm not sure how to get him out of the breakout room though.
I'll close them out as soon as the other people come back. I can close it out, but if I close it out, I close out everybody. So I gotta wait for the other attorneys to come back.
Okay, Judge.
Once they come back in, I'll close out the breakout room and he'll automatically appear.
All right, thank you.
All right.
Oh, yeah. You want me to call another case?
Yeah.
Ready on DeAndre Wiseman? Calling case number 2156264, the people of the state of Michigan versus DeAndre Wiseman. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference. Oh, she's in the breakout room. That's the one that's in the breakout room. Wiseman. Ready on Deshaun Wilson.
Yes.
Is Ms. Murphy on?
Yes.
No. You have to wait for your attorney.
She's on here.
Who's your attorney?
Murphy.
Murphy.
She checked in, but she may have logged off.
Yeah, she's logged off. You have to wait, you have to wait for her to come back.
Okay.
Ready on Kenneth Harris?
Ready.
Calling case number 2156767, the people of the state of Michigan versus Kenneth Harris. Defendant is charged with count 1, assault with intent to murder, count 2, assault with intent to do great bodily harm, less than murder or by strangulation, count 3, count 4, weapons, felony, firearm. This matter is scheduled for probable cause conference.
Karen? Special time?
Should it be Lori Morales Smith?
Oh, I thought it was me.
No, we have to recall it. We don't have a prosecutor.
Okay, Judge, thank you.
I just sent a reminder to her and she acknowledged that it was her case.
You can call at 9 o'clock. I'm not waiting on it. The client hasn't shown up.
Calling case number 2060696, the people of the state of Michigan, Brian King. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed, count 2, weapons, firearms, possession by a felon, count 3, weapons, ammunition, possession by a felon, count 4, police officer fleeing third-degree vehicle, count 5, count 6, count 7, weapons, felony, firearm, count 8, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing, habitual offender, fourth notice. This matter is scheduled for examination. Defendant has failed to appear.
Good morning, Your Honor. Matthew Stoloff on behalf of the people, P83358.
Is Brian calling?
No, it's not.
Brian King failed to appear. Case is still in. Any bond previously submitted shall be forfeited. Any bond says 30,000 cash. Citizen appearance? Did you talk to your attorney?
Remember, he was on Zoom. He said he was on Zoom.
You say it was all good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the same with Professor Francis for, James.
I know, yeah, I know what you're saying. All right.
Okay, we're still not ready. Ready on Rico Stenson. Is that right? Is Reggie still on?
Here, Kitty.
Oh, there he is.
There you
Hello.
What about, I don't see defense attorney, Cantor? Robert Cantor?
Robert Cantor?
No.
No. Okay.
I'm on mute.
All right, well, I see Mr. Parker.
Parker's there. Martin was the
Yeah, in the breakout room.
I'm gonna close off the breakout room. Bring everybody back.
You said they're out, Judge?
Yeah, it's Kuja's on and, MDOC is there.
Okay. Ready, I'm Philip Williams. Calling case number 2058667, the people of the state of Michigan versus Philip Williams. Defendant number 1 is charged with count 1, police officer fleeing 4th degree vehicle code. Count 2, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing. Count 3, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing. Habitual offender for notice. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Matthew Phillips, I have people PA 3358.
Mr. Kuja? Mr. Kuja? Oh, he's gone now, so let's recall it.
Is Wiseman out?
Wiseman is out.
Is she on?
In the background, are you still there?
Yes, I'm on.
I'm on.
Calling case number 2156264, the people of the state of Michigan versus DeAndre Wiseman. The defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. PA 3358.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court, Camilla Barkovic, P78254, appearing on behalf of Mr. Wiseman, who is present by way of Zoom.
All right, Mr. Wiseman, state your name for the record, please.
DeAndre Wiseman.
Thank you. What's your pleasure, counsel?
Your Honor, we're here today for a probable cause conference. I was recently retained. I have not received discovery yet, so I would respectfully ask for a adjourned preliminary examination.
I don't adjourn the PCCs. I'll set it for exam. You'll have more than enough time to get discovery and do whatever else you need. All right, because they're being set out. Okay. Let me witness.
One.
August 13th at 9:15.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay. If you decide to do something other than hold, just contact the court and we'll move it up.
Thank you, Judge. We appreciate it. Mr. Wiseman, you may log off.
Okay, thank
you. He's on 15th at 9:15.
Mm-hmm.
Ready, I'm Philip Williams.
You say Philip Williams?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, yes, we're ready.
Calling case number 2058667, the people of the state of Michigan versus Philip Williams. Defendant is charged with count 1, police officer fleeing 4th degree vehicle code. Count 2, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing. Count 3, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing. Habitual offender for notice. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Judge. Alex Curry on behalf of the people, P number 8.
Good morning, Honor. Jamil Kuja appearing on behalf of Philip Williams.
Mr. Williams, state your name for the record, please.
Philip Williams.
Thank you, sir. All right.
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, he wishes to hold his preliminary exam, but he says he consents to holding it over Zoom and waiving his right to hold it in person.
What do the people want?
I'm sorry, Judge. We have objection to holding it via Zoom, Judge.
Yeah. You have issues by them. There's always issues when you go by Zoom.
So it cost me 11.5.
Sam, you Zoom is any witnesses?
2, Your Honor. Yes, ma'am. 84950.
That's a luxury. I don't.
All right, April 28th at 2:45.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Judge.
That will be Zoom. You want to Zoom, but I can get them in person.
My only issue is, Judge, because he's in the MDOC, I don't know how long that would take to get him to an in-person exam.
10 days, right? 10 days. More than
If
10
you can
days
do it in
away.
person, I think that would probably be best, Judge.
I don't want to be in person. I want to be on Zoom because I got to go through COVID. It's dangerous. I got to go. I've already been through a lot of things for COVID. I got to protect myself. And Zoom is more protective for all of us. Please.
All right, I'll leave it on Zoom.
All right. Okay. Thank you, Judge. You're all set, Mr. Williams. I'll see you on the 28th, okay?
Thank you, sir. Thank the courts. Everyone have a good day.
No issue.
Trying to remove this scalp. I don't know what his problem is. Ran out of time on both of them.
Okay, I'll call Judge. Ready on Deja Wilson?
Yes.
Is Ms. on?
Yes. I'm here.
Ready. Do it right now.
Calling case number 2156280, the people of the state of Michigan versus Deja Wilson. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Judge Francis Murphy on behalf of Ms. Wilson. Ms. Wilson, will you please state your name for the record?
Deja Wilson.
Judge, we're here for a probable cause conference. I have not yet received discovery. This is a CCW case, so I will be sending a gun board letter. So, it's my understanding your protocol is just to set this for an exam. So that would work for me and Ms. Wilson.
Okay.
Trying to get the video. I'm like, dude, I got 50 calls in the last hour.
1 year. I apologize, Your Honor. Thank you. Sorry. I was just gonna inform Ms. Murphy regarding discovery.
All right, hold on. On 9/15 on August 13th.
Judge, I am not available that week. I could do the week before on the 6th. I could also do the week after on the 20th.
August 16th at 9:15.
That works for me. Thank you.
Discovery should have been sent to you yesterday, so please check your email. If you did not receive it, please let me know and I'll resend it for you.
Okay, thank you. What, I'm sorry, Mr. Prosecutor, what is your name?
My name is Matthew Stoloff.
Okay, great.
Ready on Kenneth Harris? Oh, that's that special prosecutor.
Williams, you can tell them we're finished with your hearing. Okay.
Okay, love you guys. Have a good day.
All right, you too. Take care.
All right. Hey, fellas, let's go, man.
Ready on Stinson?
Let's get out of here. They got.
Defense is ready.
Oh, this guy. Come here for a second.
Yeah.
Come get me out of the conference, please.
Huh?
It's not, no.
Yeah, I knew it was you, man. All right. Hey, come. All right.
They go check her officers, so I'm not sure for certain.
Okay, I'll have to recall it. Ready on, Jamel Moet?
Ready.
Calling case number 2156292, the people of the state of Michigan versus Jamal Moet. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Matthew Stoloff on behalf of the people, PA 3358.
Good morning. NDS Detroit by James Parker on behalf of Mr. Mollett, P53832. Your Honor, today's time and date set for our probable cause hearing. I'm asking the court to waive my client's presence. I have been in contact with him.
All right, court will waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing. What is your pleasure?
Your Honor, we'd like to set this for an in-person preliminary examination.
I mean, when is, one, Your Honor. August 13th at 9:15.
That'll be a good date, Your Honor.
Is the attorney on Gibbons on?
Ready. It's me.
Ready, Your Honor.
It's you, Mr. Parker.
Ready,
I
Your
checked
Honor.
in. You said you had me.
Yeah, I had you on Moet. I didn't have you on Gibbons.
I checked on both of them. Told you I
Okay.
had 2 cases.
I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
Oh, no, there's nothing to even worry about. You know that.
Calling case number 2156196, the people of the state of Michigan versus Douglas Gibbons Jr. Defendant is charged with count 1, criminal sexual conduct, first degree, count 2, criminal sexual conduct, second degree, count 3, criminal sexual conduct, second degree, habitual offender, second notice. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Abigail McIntyre appearing on behalf of the people, P71143.
Good morning. NDS Detroit by James Parker on behalf of my client, Mr. Gibbons, P53832.
Douglas Gibbons, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Your Honor, today's time and date set for a probable cause hearing. I'm asking that we set this for an in-person preliminary examination.
How many witnesses?
2, Your Honor.
How old is the witness?
She is 11, I believe. She is 11.
All right.
Madam Clerk, did you call Stinson before? Defense is ready. Oh, I'm sorry.
All right, parties available May 13th at 2:30.
Yes.
Be available, Your Honor.
All right.
And Your Honor, just for the record, the people will be presenting an order for the release of the Kids Talk video.
Okay.
Yes, I did call Stinson, but it's a different prosecutor, so I have to recall it.
Yeah, I'm here.
Oh, I called Stinson a couple times.
Yeah, I heard you.
defense-
I was just waiting.
Yeah, defense is ready.
Calling case number 2060687, the people of the state of Michigan versus Rico Stinson. Defendant is charged with count 1, false report of a felony. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
And good morning, Your Honor, and to your wonderful staff. May it please this most honorable court, Reginald Andrew, P number 80354, appearing on behalf of the people.
And good morning, Your Honor. Robert Cantor appearing on behalf of Rico Stinson. Your Honor, I have not been in contact with my client. I thought he was on personal bond. He has not returned phone calls, but I found out that he could be in custody still. Is that correct, Madam Clerk?
On the phone. If I remember correctly, I believe she said he's in another, we'll just have to read him out. A waiver of appearance for the purpose of this hearing.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and we'll send this matter for exam. You want to set for preliminary exam?
Your Honor, if we could set it for another PCC, is that possible? I've received the paper discovery. There is some green light video that I have not received, but based on that, this may be a waiver, but from the paper discovery that I have.
We'll set it for a preliminary exam. If once you get everything, you talk to your client, you decide to waive, then we'll
Okay.
just contact the court and we'll move it up.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
He's not. Judge, was somebody trying to call me?
He was asking about, if that's on my client.
Oh, it's on front of the file. In pink. That's, he's in a different color.
Oh, just one county sheriff.
Did he do it in person?
Yeah.
Okay. So Stinson has, that's Reggie. Reggie?
Yeah.
So you need a writ on Stinson?
Yep.
Oh, you already know.
Your Honor, this is Mr. Gibbons. I'm sorry for interrupting. I see that the court is in process. This is Gibbons. I just don't know, can I leave? No one didn't tell me, Gibbons, you are free to go or anything.
Oh, yeah, you're free to go, Mr. Gibbons.
Okay, once again, Your Honor, I do apologize for interrupting the court.
All right, thank you. We'll set up for May 18th at 2 o'clock. How many witnesses? 3 witnesses, Rich?
For Stinson, 1, Your Honor.
May 18th at 2 o'clock. That'll be fine, Your Honor. And could the court tell me what facility is he in right now?
Hold on. He's at the Tuscaloosa County Sheriff's Office. You got a number of 989-673-8165.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Okay.
And Your Honor, that was 2 p.m., correct?
I beg your pardon?
That was 2 p.m. on May 18th?
Yeah, you're gonna have to try to rid him.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Reggie, if you need a phone number, there's one on this sheet if you need it.
Okay, sounds good. I'm on my way up to you guys right now.
Oh, okay.
Have a good day.
You too.
You too.
Judge, this is Neil Rockine. I have an exam at noon before you. Good morning.
Yes.
Could I go into a breakout room with the court and the prosecutor if that's possible?
Nope. Prosecutor's in court.
Oh, okay.
Did you go to breakout room with who?
I was asking you and the prosecutor, so.
Oh, no. I don't have a way to do that.
So I guess I wanted to just know, I wanted to apprise the court that somebody that I was in contact with tested positive for COVID. I've had both my vaccines. I have a live exam at noon in front of you.
If you're on Zoom, your client will appear in person.
What's that, Your Honor?
I say you can appear on Zoom, your client will appear in person.
I would rather do it in person, Your Honor.
Well, I doubt they're gonna let you in if you had contact recently with someone who just tested positive. And I don't necessarily think my prosecutor and my staff at risk either.
I understand that, and I appreciate that, and I really don't want my client to be there by himself in the courtroom, Judge. So, could I propose moving the exam?
I'm not moving the exam, no. It's not a reason to move the exam.
Well, I don't want him to suffer because I'm being I'm making what I think is a.
None of his rights are endangered in any form or fashion.
I understand, but he's going to feel like that, Judge. I mean, I'm
not moving the date. Right. We're set for 12 noon. You can appear on Zoom, please.
Are there other options, Judge, to be frank with you? Because I really was, I wanted to conduct the exam.
I've made my ruling. If there's no more debate, there's no more discussion, there's no more argument. It's set for 12 noon. You appear on Zoom, please. I don't know how to make it any clearer than that.
No, you've been clear. I guess I just didn't like the answer, but I guess that's the way it goes.
Well, that's why we have a Court of Appeals. That's how you do it.
Okay, Judge, thank you.
All right, thank you. Huh? Yeah, we have 9:15.
Judge, I have Mr. Riggins here. He's our 10 o'clock and you asking for a number?
Yeah, I need to approach it.
You want to approach?
Yeah, with trust.
Is that yours, Matthew?
He's got one.
He has 3 cases. I have one of them. Reggie has the other 2.
And Reggie is on his way.
Yeah,
I don't know, we don't really.
Yeah, I know that he was walking over, so.
Excuse me?
I saw him on Zoom. He was late.
Yes, sir.
This is Jesse Price Campbell. I had an 8:30 court date. What time?
Oh,
Campbell.
Price Campbell. I
Price.
have 2 last names.
that's Miss Cora Watt. She was on. I don't know if she's still on.
Okay, you gotta wait for your attorney to come back on.
Okay.
All right, and do you have a shirt with a collar? Because I don't do t-shirts in my courtroom.
All right, I will pull it out. I
Thank
think I
you.
do have it.
I'm waiting on this one for prosecutor.
Your Honor,
And
Yes?
I believe we're ready on Kenneth Harris.
Who?
Kenneth Harris.
Oh, okay, we didn't know you were there.
I need your P number. We called this case a couple times.
All right, sorry about that. P83353.
What case is that?
Well, is Mr. Toussaint still on?
I see him.
Yeah, he's on.
Kenneth Harris.
There, okay.
You ready? Calling case number 21-56767. The people of the state of Michigan versus Kenneth Harris. Defendant is charged with count 1, assault with intent to murder. Count 2, assault with intent to do great bodily harm, less than murder or by strangulation. Count 3 and count 4, weapons felony firearm. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Lori Morello Smith, P83353 for the people, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mayor. Please, this most honorable court, Benson J. Toussaint, P58609, on behalf of Mr. Kenneth Harris, who today appears by Zoom for the probable cause conference.
Harris, state your name for the record, please.
Hi, yes, Kenneth Harris.
It's your pleasure, counsel.
Your Honor, we are requesting a in-person exam, and I am requesting all paper and digital discovery in this case.
How many witnesses?
Your Honor, there should be approximately 4 to 5 no, I'm sorry.
How many you need for the preliminary exam?
Yeah, I'm sorry. That's what I want to take a second look at. We will have 2 or 3 for the preliminary exam. And Your Honor, in this instance, Mr. Harris is not in custody Can we set this out later rather than earlier? The complainant is still in the hospital.
All right, September 14th at 11:30.
That should do it.
That works, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay.
Ms. Morella Smith, you have my email?
I do
right,
have
I
all your
appreciate it.
information, sir. I'll make sure you get everything you need.
Thank you. Your Honor, did you set a time for the September 14th date?
11:30.
Thank you.
All right, continue.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Stay safe and stay well, everyone.
All
Have a
right.
good
All right,
day.
you too.
Thank you. You can get off, Miss.
Okay.
Excuse me,
Yes, sir.
is Justin Alexander supposed to be in this courtroom today?
Who?
Justin Alexander.
No, I don't have a Justin Alexander on Judge Giles' docket today.
What is it about?
I was carrying my weapon and was supposed to be at court at 9 today.
Hold on. Don't say anything else. You got a case number?
No, I just know the time.
Okay, you're gonna have to go on the website, the 36th District Court, look up your name, and it'll tell you when you're supposed to be here.
Okay.
Thank you.
Are they- Oh, I thought they were approaching. You're on top here. You're on top here. Is your client here?
I'm gonna do it in the back. This will not be, it would be all on Zoom and YouTube, if you wanna do it that way. Absolutely not. All right, come on.
Oh, geez Louise.
All right.
Here you go, sir.
How you doing? How you doing? All right.
Is Yasmin still out there?
She
Oh, okay.
I'm just gonna rotate forward. Training. Every few times when I say, good morning, Judge Alex Curry, they listen to me. Right. Right. We would understand.
Okay, Mr. Bicker, you say you got no client?
Excuse me,
Yes.
do you have Alexandre Pascal for today?
Who? I can't hear you, sir. You're cutting up.
Paschal.
Okay, what's the name? You're cutting up.
Alexandre Pascal.
Yes. Well, no. Hold on.
They say I have a
Hold on, sir. Hold on. I don't know why they scheduled this in here for us. 6654. How come I didn't catch this?
Do you want me to give you the case number?
I got a case on Judge Giles docket. It's Alexander Pascal. It says arraigned on a bench warrant. I don't have a file. It's 19058741101. Okay. Mr. Pascal, just hold on. We're trying to find out where you're supposed to go, okay?
Okay. They sent the letter to my house with the Zoom number.
I understand that. They put you on the wrong docket. Oh. Okay, so we did do King at 9 o'clock. That's the only one we did.
Hey.
So I want to do Hoskins.
Did we get somebody for the 9:15?
Nope, I called.
Do we have a house council?
Nope.
We do that, what, once a month or something?
That's what it seemed like. I got.
We had one time someone called and said they were our house
Yeah,
council.
that was, what was that?
Who was the ring, what?
No, it was Mr. Noakes.
No, okay.
Yeah, it was William Noakes. So I got Mr. Vicker, his client's not here. You want me to call it?
Yep. Yep. So then we'll be in fine. You want another case, Mr. Vicker?
Yeah, I was just gonna say, I'll be glad to, but I can't take it. I'm gonna go to the NDS. I'm on my way to NDS.
Well, I'm not gonna do it today. I'll just give you another date if you want to take it.
I can't.
Okay.
I can't. Like I'm saying.
So do like
I
NDS.
give all my stuff. I'm in the process of having all my stuff reassigned.
Oh, you mean you're actually closing your practice and you're going to.
Correct.
Okay. All right, I got it now.
Oh. Calling case number 2155153, the people of the state of Michigan versus Kevin Hoskins. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for examination. Defendant has failed to appear.
Who is this?
This is Mr. Conley at 10 o'clock.
Who?
Conley.
Conley?
Conley.
Did you let his attorney
Yeah,
know?
the attorney's in the back. You're waiting in the hallway.
Oh, okay.
Oh, here.
All right, go ahead, appearances, please.
Thank you, Judge. Alex Curry on behalf of the people, P number 84950.
Please quote Your Honor, Tyrone Baker, appearing on behalf of Mr. Hoskins. P number 62647. Mr. Hoskins is not present here today, Your Honor. I do not have an explanation for his whereabouts or it ends, Your Honor.
All right, well, maybe you show it, and you buy previously submitted to the report, and you buy that 30,000 there. All right, thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you, Your Honor. Do what we must.
Yeah, well, I understand.
You know my situation better than most as far as, still got 2 of them. It's still this close, so.
Yeah, I understand right now, it's kind of hard, but
Yeah.
finish these cases up. And even if I push it through here, it's stuck across the street, they ain't doing nothing.
It's been a whole year.
Yeah, I know.
It's just, what's funny is I probably would have probably my best year in quite some time if it wasn't for that with the new assignment system,
Yeah.
That was working out great. That would have worked out great for me. The only problem was all those assignments I got are still sitting on my plate. They're still sitting there.
Yeah.
All the way back from last year this time.
That's why you gotta, if I practice, because I found out I have to diversify.
You do.
I had, when I did immigration, which was, I had to worry about.
Yeah, no, you do. You really do. I should have,
Especially when, I had 1 year reporters, they didn't pay us for a year. But they expected us to do the cases.
Right, of course.
At the end of the year, we got this big check.
Right. Like that made it, made it all better.
Yeah, so if it wasn't for the other things, then.
Right. There was a time I was trying to push more into some probate stuff, but, either way, I guess it's working out for us, so.
Yeah, that's good.
What's going on with Connolly?
He's talking to a client now.
Regarding Mr. Conley's case, I believe Mr. Reagan's is speaking to his client right now.
All right.
Okay.
And the guy never showed up.
Nope, he called. I told him, he said he still was coming to explain to you.
All right, well, first attorney we see, give it to them. First attorney we see. Give it to them. The attorneys in the hallway standing around, not doing nothing.
I saw Tiffany Howe.
Huh?
I saw Tiffany Howe.
That was only. Private practice, you need to work. You know that's.
Hey, Tiffany. Hi, favorite courtroom. I have judge. Oh, wait.
I don't want to see you. We're not gonna do it today. I'm giving you a date, set another thing.
Okay.
And you come back. Just say, dangerous concealed weapon, clients out in the hallway, signing to the case.
Okay, because it was the exam today?
They were set for exam, the attorney didn't show up.
Okay, what's the guy name?
Oh, now attorneys are confused doing now.
For next time. Thank you, Judge.
Well, I don't know.
Sorry, not on, yeah.
Well, Mr. McAlpine, when I set these dates, I asked everybody if this is a good date. And you told me yes. You had 2 cases. Told me yes. No time for these cases is gone.
Yeah,
I can only schedule so many cases. I have to stagnate the cases by order of the Supreme Court. I can only have so many people in the courtroom, so many people in the courthouse. When you don't show up,
I understand that, Judge. The issue with this case is I have not spoken to this chair.
that ain't got nothing to do with you being here on time.
Oh, well.
That was supposed to be, you were supposed to be here at 9:15.
Exactly.
It's 10:04.
I understand, but the last time I was here on the same case, I came to court and you said, well, you've spoken to your client, and I heard from you. It was a Patriots issue, so you didn't even have to come down here. You didn't, she wasn't.
You still gotta be here? Since when don't you show up for your court hearing?
You still could have done it via Zoom. Which is why.
Okay, were you on Zoom?
I did. I called.
And you were on Zoom at 9:15 for your case to be called. But then you'd have found out your client was here.
Oh, I did.
And
That's when the clerk told me, Joe. I'm not trying to, I understand your position. I'm just saying, I apologize. I don't know where Miss Harris is.
In the hallway.
Yes, okay.
At this point, I'm already removed.
Well, okay. What about for Brian King?
He's capious.
Capious?
He's capious, he didn't show up.
Was that set for? That
9
was
o'clock.
a PCC. No, what happened? He went to the wrong courtroom on Zoom.
He's capious right now. He was not here. He's supposed to be here in person at 9 o'clock. He's capious.
That's a PCC, John.
It's an exam.
Oh, King is
At
an
9
exam
o'clock.
too? Okay.
Yes. Both were set, you had a 9 and a 9:15.
Okay, well.
I didn't remove you from that one. I just gave you something. He wasn't here.
Yeah, I just spoke with him on the phone. Okay, well.
Turn himself in.
Okay, John. Thank you. Okay.
Oh, just tell them come on in. They can talk afterwards. We just gonna set them a date. I'm gonna let them know she's appointed.
Judge, I was told by your court staff that I should inform you that I'm a proud Michigan State grad and fan, so.
Oh. All right. Great.
A white.
Right. Okay, so, Harris, that's here. That's in the, stand in the first row.
I'm sorry, Judge?
Just stand in the first row.
Oh, so yes, that's right.
No, you have to maintain social distancing.
Calling case number 2058312, the people of the state of Michigan versus Yasmin Harris. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Thank you, Judge. Alex Curry on behalf of the people, key number 84950.
And good morning, Judge Tippy, on behalf of the defendant, P number P 79667.
All right, you want to accept the assignment?
Yes, Judge.
All right. Ms. Harris, you want to sign, I'll to represent you. We'll make sure she has all your contact information, all right?
Yes, sir.
We're gonna reschedule this matter. August 13th at 9:45.
I'm sorry, Judge, what time?
9:45 on August 13th. All right, Ms. Harris,
Yes.
I don't do t-shirts in my photo.
I
I need your listen. I don't do sweat. And you slipping it up because you gotta take your jacket off. All right? I'm just letting you know, so you know. Because if you come back to us like that, I'm gonna send you to Wayne County Jail and let them dress you. You understand what that means, right?
Yes.
That means you'll be locked up. You don't wanna be locked up. So that's for my court, give me my respect, all right? Because I'm gonna get to yours. Okay? All right, thank you. totally.
Oh, okay. August 13th, Judge, right?
August 13th, yep, at 9, let's say 9.
I'm sorry, I took my jacket off, but my hair is stuck to it, so.
All right.
Thank you, Judge, see you.
We'll see you later.
Hold on, here's Tiffany.
Yeah, get your appointment.
7292. I know. 79667. Yeah, right. Oh, man. I don't want to say anymore. Right, you don't have to say it now, just. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
You ready on Holly? All right. Holly.
Cora's on.
Yeah, what phone is that?
She's on Price Campbell.
Is Jesse Price Campbell?
Yes, Mr. Price Campbell. That's your attorney.
What, Miss Watt?
Yes, hold on, look, you gotta wait for your case to be called. We're about to do another case.
All right.
Calling case number 2061026, the people of the state of Michigan versus Eugene County. Defendant is charged with count 1, motor vehicles, operating a chop shop, habitual offender for notice. Also calling case number 1757283, the people of the state of Michigan versus Eugene County. Defendant is charged with count 1, motor vehicles, operating a chop shop, count 2, stolen property, receiving and concealing motor vehicle, count 3, stolen property, receiving and concealing $1,000 or more, but less than $20,000, count 4, stolen property, receiving and concealing $1,000 or more, but less than $20,000, habitual offender for notice. Also calling case number 2060995, the people of the state of Michigan versus Eugene County. Defendant is charged with count 1, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing, habitual offender for notice. These matters are scheduled for examination.
Good morning, Your Honor. Matthew Stoll, on behalf of the 3358 as it relates to case ending in 0995.
And good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, staff. May I please just one honorable court, Reginald Andrew, P number 80254, appear on behalf of the people as it relates to case ending 283 and 026.
And good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your staff. Maybe been to services by 82125, looking on behalf of Mr. Eugene County on all matters.
All right. You ready to proceed?
Your Honor, they finished up the preliminary examination. I have discussed this matter with my client. My client understands that he has a statutory right to a preliminary examination in all matters where the people have to prove by proper cause standard that he was the person that committed a crime in the county's jurisdiction. After discussing these matters with my client has elected to waive these matters and has the matter proceed forward to circuit court.
Whatever you do, no objection from people regarding the charge.
No objection, Your Honor.
Very good. Fine. Mr. Conley, you understand that you have a statutory right to a preliminary exam with statement show by probable cause of crime was committed, and probable cause you had something to do with committing. You understand that, sir? Anybody promise you anything or threaten you in any way to get you to waive your right to preliminary exam?
No.
You waive your right freely and voluntarily after having opportunity to talk to your attorney about it.
Yes.
And you sign the waiver of examination on each of these papers, right?
Yes.
All right, for the finest, you freely and voluntarily waive your right to preliminary exam as bound over the Wayne County Circuit Court of Criminal Division for arraignment on the information. This will be April 21st at 9:00 p.m.
Yeah.
All right, Bob, continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. You signed the third one?
Yeah, we should have all signed it.
Oh, yeah.
You know what?
This is a ring.
Yeah, I called my supervisor, it should be in here. So
Oh,
they're
okay.
trying to see where it shows. Is
Okay.
that your thing?
Yeah, which is weird because, well, I mean, I guess because he waived an exam in King, I think, 2 weeks ago or something like that.
Oh, so he probably should be in King too. But yeah, it shouldn't be on our docket, because it's a bench warrant.
Okay, okay.
Downstairs, somehow, they're taking bonds and giving.
Okay, yeah, right, I noticed that too. I didn't notice that. I know he was taking this for exam here back a few months ago.
Oh, in here?
Yeah, yeah.
Well, that's probably why they sent it in.
All right,
They
cool.
shouldn't have took, the bonds, set a
Right.
date like that. To be arraigned.
Okay, I just want to leave without, having taken care of that first. But
Yeah, she's on it, trying to find the court date.
okay, cool. I'll wait if you need me.
All right.
All right, thanks so much.
Reg.
Well, thank you.
Ready on Jesse Price Campbell?
Yes.
Calling case number 21-56715, the people of the state of Michigan versus Jesse Price Campbell. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons, dangerous weapon, miscellaneous, count 2, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Matthew Soloff on behalf of people, PA3358.
And good morning, Your Honor. Coral Watt appearing on behalf of Mr. Price Campbell.
Price Campbell, state your name for the record, please.
Jesse William Price Campbell.
Okay, sir, you gotta pull that car over. You cannot do this driving.
Yeah, 8:30 was the time.
No.
Time is when we call you eggs. It was set for 8:30.
My God.
Pull the car over, please.
I'm trying to. Got somewhere to be at 10:30. All right, car is parked.
Yes, sir. All right, what?
Your Honor, could you set this for an in-person preliminary examination?
No, can't do that.
What would you like to do, Mr. Campbell?
I would continue Zoom. I don't want to be around anybody due to the pandemic. So
Okay.
I would like to continue on Zoom. That way I won't have to have any contact with nobody but my family.
Okay, that's fine. We can do that if that's his choice, Your Honor.
20 witnesses.
To Your Honor.
Two.
To Your Honor.
We right up the street, so you got 8 minutes.
You'll
If
be
not, I'll
there.
just take you to the. Yeah, I just paid like $25 for Taekwondo lessons.
You'll be there on time.
All right. September 15th at 10 o'clock.
September 15th. Thank you, Your Honor.
September 15th?
Yes,
On Zoom.
on Zoom.
Oh my God. Why so long? You know, this
I'll talk
needs
to you
to be,
about it
that's
afterwards.
Okay, Mr. Price, Tam, I'll bring you in here tomorrow. You want to do it tomorrow?
I mean, Zoom, yes, preferably.
I
No,
don't
I'll
have
bring you in
any
person.
discovery.
That I have.
You ain't running this show, Mr. Price Williams. You're not running this show. I suggest you not say anything. I suggest you not say.
Closed.
Okay, you don't seem to understand. I'll bring you back in here on a bond hearing. You want to keep running your mouth? Keep doing it. I'll bring you in here and I'll let you run your mouth across the street. That's what I thought. September 15th, 10 o'clock on Zoom.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And Ms. Watt, Ms. Watt, discovery should have been sent to you yesterday, so if you did not receive it, please let me know.
Okay, I haven't checked. It must have been sent in the afternoon sometime. I haven't checked since yesterday morning, so I'll check and see.
It should have been sent yesterday afternoon, so if you still don't have it, let me know and I'll resend it for you.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day, everyone.
All right,
Thanks,
cool.
you.
And you got one more PCC.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Oh, we got Mr. Patrick too. Hold on, Mr. Patrick.
Yeah, I was wondering what was going on. Okay.
There. Ms. Prime, you ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Prime? Okay, I'm making sure you're there so we can call your case.
I'm here. Thank you.
All right. My clerk stepped away for 1 second. As soon as she comes back, we'll call it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good
morning, Judge. Good morning. Judge, I have a 3 o'clock exam with you in person on Alante Mosley. If you recall, I came down a while back on him and found out that he was in DOC. So we had to adjourn it. And I think he's going to be by Zoom today at 3 o'clock. And I'm to come down personally again, I believe. But we're calling to confirm that, sir, before I drive down this afternoon. Is in fact going to go today at this 3 o'clock.
I filed the writ, so they should have them up here.
All right. Yeah, supposed to go.
All right, because once I get down there, if I could perhaps, I haven't been able to communicate with him, of course, because I don't even know where he is. But there may very well be a waiver once I can speak to him privately when I get down to the courtroom this afternoon.
All right. We'll work it out. I got to step up. You have to step up. I say we'll work it out so you can talk to him.
All right, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
I said, well, there's some confused. I looked it up. Look at my yeah, but when I put it on my calendar, I put it down as.
Okay, well, I'm about. Okay, well, not.
Yeah, I do know that Mr. Glanda's case is after, I think the 2 o'clock is a homicide, so hopefully that one, I know you scheduled, gave them an hour, I think for 2, and the Glanda's at 3, so.
Yeah.
We'll see if that's enough time.
Mr. Mosley.
I'm sure how many witnesses they have for that homicide.
Mr.
So
Mosley.
I think that's the one where, this Cooper was on, one of the witnesses is going to appear by Zoom. Discussed earlier this morning.
Are you on King, Matthew?
Yes, I am.
They're ready on this training thing. Pass well. That's Alexander Pascal.
That's Randy's giving it.
Oh, that's not ours. It shouldn't be on our docket.
It's not ours? Whose is it?
It shouldn't be on our docket. They arraigned it and gave it a arraignment on a bench warrant to us. They shouldn't have did that.
Oh, we need to send them for both of them on Zoom.
I don't have that's why I don't have a file.
You don't know whose it is?
I called, Joyce, the supervisor, she said she was gonna handle it. Well, she hasn't called me back.
All right. Well, you want to try to call it again? So they've been on all morning.
I hope the first makes it bring him on a file secret, so hopefully they bring him on. That's the real trick these days with the writs. That's the real trick these days with the writs. You file them, and it's a matter of whether or not they actually do what they're told to do. So. That one guy who gave me that 2 or 3 week permit to find out what facility he's in federally. I think I found him. I think I tracked him down. Now it's a matter of just getting them to rate and seeing if they'll actually honor it. In Ohio now.
No, they don't even need the body, so you
Yeah, that's what I did. I filed a secret. Said, let me know ASAP. That's the best I can do.
They're not answering, Joyce or, Ms. Gray.
Excuse me. Am I on the line?
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
Yes, my name is Brian King. I've been on here for like the past hour or two since I spoke.
You have, can we your case at 9, you were at 9 o'clock. You're supposed to be in person. You're an in-person. I'm talking, let me talk.
I'm sorry about that.
You got a case now.
My lawyer told me I didn't supposed to come in. I spoke to him yesterday. He said I didn't have an in hearing. He said get on Zoom. I spoke to him yesterday morning, 8:30 this morning. I was on Zoom with Judge King.
Your case was set for a preliminary exam at 9 o'clock in person. You were not here. You were capious at 9:30, 9:45, whatever time it was.
Yes, my lawyer told me don't come in. Yesterday morning. I spoke to him yesterday.
Just go call your lawyer and work it out.
Yes,
Right now, there is a warrant for your arrest.
Wow.
Call your lawyer, and he'll tell you what to do. And when you come back on Zoom or in person, do not wear a t-shirt.
I'm sorry about that. I'm so sorry.
Dress for court, shirt with a collar, pair of pants. I don't do t-shirts, I don't do sweats. All right.
Yes, I apologize for that, Judge. And like I said, I didn't know about the capious. Like I said, I spoke to my lawyer several times, and he kept telling me it's a Zoom and court hearing meeting. And also, from what I knew, it was with Judge King. Judge King sent me over to you around 9, like 9:10. Judge King sent me over to you. I've been waiting on my lawyer ever since. He just now calling me. I have been sitting here watching you. I even watched you speak to my lawyer. He called me and told me about the situation. I was never informed that I was supposed to have an in-person hearing. Since my last court date, they told me it was a Zoom hearing with King at 9 o'clock. I've been calling my lawyer. I've been speaking back and forth since 8 o'clock this morning.
Okay. Get your lawyer, get back on Zoom. I'll reinstate your bond and we'll set it for another date.
Okay, thank you. I'm going to call him now. I'm so sorry about that.
Oh, no problem.
Okay.
the attorney on for King?
Nope, let's, make out.
No, for King, Duran King.
I'm here.
Yeah.
And Matthew,
Yes.
did you say King was yours?
Duran King.
Duran King?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, I believe she said she was stating that he's in MDOC.
Okay.
No, it's on.
No, that's
Oh, that was-
different
Oh, the
King.
ranch, that's a different.
Yeah.
I honestly think it's like 3 Kings on our docket today.
I know there's at least two. I know there's Duran King, Duran King.
You got a Brian King, Duran King. Oh, okay, it's 2 Kings. All right, are you ready, counselor?
I am.
Calling case number 21-56781, the people of the state of Michigan versus Duran King. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. Count 2, weapons, firearms, possession by a felon. Count 3, weapons, felony, firearms. Second notice, habitual offender. Third notice. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Matthew Stoloff on behalf of people P83358.
And good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Kiana Franulik, P73015, on behalf of Mr. Duran King, who is currently in MDOC.
All right, waiver of appearance for the purpose of this hearing.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Cole will do so. Do you set this matter for preliminary exam?
Your Honor, I would request a PCC first. I don't have discovery. He was
I don't adjourn the PCCs. Ms. Brandon, I do not adjourn the PCCs. You'll have more than enough time to talk to your client and get discovery and whatever you need. If discovery is not provided, I'm just going to dismiss the case. All right?
All right, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Check me.
We will
Yeah,
request
I guess
an in-person preliminary exam.
All right.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, Judge, did you find out if I was supposed to be in your courtroom?
Is that Mr. Pasha?
Yes.
You're not. We're trying to find out where you're supposed to be. So just hold on. Yeah.
Okay. I've been here all morning. They sent me the mail.
I know. Wherever you're supposed to be, I'm gonna make sure that you're not capious or anything like that. So, all right.
You see, I came with my collar shirt ready.
Hold on, please. Hold on. We're in a hearing. Just hold on, Mr. Paschal. We're trying to find out. As soon as we find out, we'll take care of you. All right, hold on, sir.
Okay,
We're in a
thank
hearing. I'll see you in a minute. All right. Ms. Franulik, how about, are you available May 18th at 2:15? And how many witnesses?
Your Honor, I don't file on this. I expect 1 or 2.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you. Do you have video now?
I don't have any discovery, Your Honor. I did request it. I don't have anything.
No, do you have video on your system?
Yes, it's off because I'm quarantined at home, which is why I hadn't turned my camera on. Stop her.
All right, May 18th at 2:15.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Oh, she said give her a half.
Oh, you got him?
I got Ms. Gray.
Okay.
So on Duran, did she say where he was at in MBOC?
She did not. I can find out.
You can find out? Okay.
I can just check notice.
Mr. Nochi, what do you have?
Good morning, Judge. I don't, excuse me, I don't have anything today, but Monday I'm scheduled with Miss Manarino on an exam. My client is still in the Department of Corrections.
All right, and
Alrighty.
you should have been either written, one for in person or for Zoom.
It would have been, we would have written it for an in-person. This is actually, I think, the third exam date where they failed to acknowledge or honor the writ.
I understand, and they'll do that if there's an issue with, COVID there. So
Right.
if we can't get them in person, we'll get them on Zoom.
Okay, then I'll be there Monday morning at the court anyway with another matter, and hopefully we'll have him on Zoom.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, sir, can I help you now? Gentleman on the Galaxy A21.
Oh yes, how you doing this morning, Judge Giles? I had a court appearance this morning.
What's your name?
Tyree Kirkland.
Yeah, that was at 8:30, Mr. Kirkland.
Yeah, I know. I don't know why did they wind up calling my mother phone for some reason. I don't know. I gave them my number when I got the release from the detention center. Say that again.
Hold on. What time? You're set for preliminary exam August 10th at 9:45.
Okay, so what was the court date this morning?
It was just to set the date. So your attorney waived your presence here. So
Okay.
you need to get, and you need to make sure you're on time because it's set for 9:45. I'm gonna call your case at 9:45. If you're not here, I'm a case issue a warrant, all right?
Yeah.
So you gotta get down here a little early so you get through the line, make sure there's no issue. Okay?
Okay, so is an in-person court hearing?
Yeah, it's an in-person court hearing.
Okay.
Also, it's, so you know, I don't do t-shirts and I don't do sweats. Shirt with a collar, all right?
Understanding.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you. I appreciate that.
All right, you're welcome.
All right.
No, because the judge is waiting. Thank you, Mr. All right. You should be at 134.
Who's that?
Huh?
Who's 134?
That's felony arraignments.
Why would it be in arraignments if it's set for?
He should have never, he wasn't arraigned. They did
Oh.
it wrong, that's why. Yeah, they did it wrong, he should have went to arraignment. He wasn't never arraigned on his
All
warrant.
right, that's, who is that? Who's that, right? Oh. No. It's a judge. We didn't get an attorney on it either.
Nope.
Mr., how are they gonna reschedule it for him?
No, he needs to log in Zoom in 134.
Mr. Pascal?
Yes.
All right. Well, for whatever reason, you weren't supposed to be here, although you're scheduled to be in my courtroom. You haven't been arraigned. All right, so you have to be arraigned first. So you're gonna have to give you another number. What's the number down there?
360.
Are you driving?
No.
Okay, you can write this down.
Yes.
Right.
360 134 0000.
So I get on Zoom with this number?
Yeah, call them right now, and then they'll arraign you, they'll give you another date. Now, it's probably gonna come back in front of me, but you gotta
Okay.
be arraigned first, all right?
Okay. Thank you.
All right, thank you. I apologize for that.
It's
Mix
okay.
up.
It's okay.
All right, take
Thank you.
care.
I appreciate it.
The only way I can get rid of this.
Well, everybody else is in the background. Mr. Oh, we lost Mr. Oh, hey, Mr. King, are you still on? All right. And Mr.
Yes, I'm
Bartlett
still
got
on.
we call King.
This is Brian King, right?
Yeah, Brian King.
Recalling case number 2060696, the people of the state of Michigan versus Brian King Jr. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed, count 2, weapons, firearms, possession by a felon, count 3, weapons, ammunition, possession by a felon, count 4, police officer pleading third-degree vehicle code, count 5, count 6, count 7, weapons, felony, firearm, count 8, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing, habitual offender for notice. This is a recall and a warrant hearing.
Thank you. Alex Curry on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Warren McAlpine appearing on behalf of Brian King, who's present appearing via Zoom.
All right, Mr. King was on Zoom earlier, had a conversation with him. I'm gonna set aside the KPS and reinstate his bond. We're gonna reschedule this matter for August 16th at 9:45. Is that a good date?
Let me check
Yes.
it, Judge. Let me check, please. 16. Judge, I can't, August 16th isn't a good day. Is the 18th available? Either the 18th or 19th.
August 18th at 9:15.
That's fine, Judge. And is that in person or via Zoom?
That's in person preliminary exam.
Okay, in person. Okay.
Yep. Here on time. I will call the case at 9:15.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
In-person exam, August 18th at 9:15.
We appreciate it, Judge. Thank you. And I apologize for the mix-up this morning.
All right, thank you.
All right, have a good day. Take care.
All right, you too.
All right, bye.
Bye. Okay, now the next one is not filled up. I'll be back.
Okay. Yep. Them be the monsters trying to get down. I wish we could just do them all and then start the exams. So he probably should start exams at 9:30. But then I don't know, because some days we only have a few PCCs in the morning.
Like yesterday, well, yeah.
Right. But see, like a day, but see, we don't know how many, we never know how many PCCs we get.
Oh, let me cross this. Let's get it out. Joyce gonna try to get on without one. You didn't check the docket.
How you doing, sir?
I'm checking in for Bowler.
Oh, okay.
Boiler.
That's the 11:15, I believe.
Yep.
All right. Hold on 1 second, I'll be right with you. You the attorney?
I am.
What's your name?
First name Ali, A-L-I. Yep. Last name C-H-E-A-I-T-O. 313-598-8786.
Get some work done. I ain't doing
Okay.
nothing.
Who's the A Moody?
Yeah, I don't know. That's right.
Hi,
Matthew.
how you doing, bro? So, I think in the temple letter, I don't know if you I sent it like January
I
31st.
had a Zoom appointment with my doctor. I didn't see the meeting.
Today?
Yeah.
Oh, man, cause you didn't have no help. If you had help, you could have.
I couldn't, just fell on the wrong day. Then I was gonna do it, and then, they had to bring Mr. Whisper.
Oh.
So I just told them to reschedule me.
Yeah, cause that was more.
No.
They just.
Well, usually Lucky or somebody would be here. He'll be in later. He has a doctor's appointment too. I don't know, it's just like a time for doctor's appointments.
I guess everybody going to your doctor.
Yeah.
I got a doctor's appointment next week.
The co-defendant brother on case, that's it, he's submitted the same. I went for a fact. So they need more time for a response. I don't know.
It's okay.
What up, Mom?
Not much.
Is it busy downstairs? That too? Yeah.
Usually they put an official like paper in here.
Oh, okay.
Says what they decided, why. So my question is, if you hold the preliminary exam, you still apply for that version or no? Does it actually, if you want to still be eligible? Yeah. I'm not sure what the statute is at this point. I do know that people would on that. Okay, then let me discuss that with my client. So there's no official response to it, right? That's what I'm saying. I don't see any, because there's like this little form that pretty much, it's like a check sheet almost of whether. Okay. Registered, all that, all the requirements, they rejected it. There's no rejection, no section, I'll say why. Okay, I don't see that in here. They did it, should have been right on top. Because they looked at it yesterday. I did send it. Yeah, I got your letter. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna take a look at this again. Can you find out now or no? If not, probably not. He's the one that's supposed to look at it. Well, he's not the one that's necessarily going to look at it, like he's in charge of the
mean, I don't know why they would. Okay.
I don't know either.
Busy time for me.
I don't know. So yesterday around.
You started your yard work yet?
So, first from 100th Street.
I don't do yard work.
Oh.
My husband does file.
Yeah, I guess that's true, 'cause that's what's on mine, me.
Yeah, see? I mean, he likes outside, he likes being outside, he likes the yard.
I try to, my wife always said, let's do this, let's plant flowers, let's do this. And I try to get her to come out and groove with me. She'll start out with me, then I know she gone, and I'm doing it by myself.
See, I will help him. I will help with some things, but he normally does.
Yeah, cutting grass, edging, weed.
Oh, yeah, he does.
What about planting flowers? You ever mess with around?
We only have a few, but we only have, we just like hostas.
That's why we got a lot of houses, but it's time for us to break them up.
Yeah, I think because our last years, they didn't do too well.
There's so many.
I sent it,
Yeah, I don't know.
So
There's so many companies trying to call and saying, we can protect your flowers, your plants, your bushes, your trees.
Oh, really?
It costs money. It costs a lot of money. They crazy.
See, and we were trying to see like, okay, so in the front of our house, we had like 4 big trees around the corner house.
Oh.
So we have 2 in front and there's 2 on the side. Well, they cut the one in front. They cut one of them because my husband kept calling like, hey, these are old trees, cut them down, blah, blah, blah. So they did cut one. He did the grass, so everything is leveled out, but we think that it affected our hostas, like it got too much sun on them or something.
Oh, that could be, yeah.
Cause I mean, they didn't do well at all, last year.
They coming in. Big tall guy. Okay.
Huh? Big dog.
Yeah, look, he's for 1132. Oh, they're the same, they're in the same case. Lust.
Yeah, Lustin Phillips is the
They're-
same case.
Yeah, they're both here.
That's Diallo.
That should be entertaining.
They're sitting on the same bench.
Yeah. They're on the same page.
Yeah.
I guess it'll be able to be exam and what he says, but. From here.
Sorry.
It's a pretty easy day.
Yeah.
Pretty light, so.
Did you get your second dose of vaccine?
Yeah.
Did you get a TCF? Okay.
So I actually, did you hear about how one of the nurses there stole some vaccine?
No.
Yeah, there's one of the nurses that was administering the vaccine there, stole it. She got caught. I think gonna get arraigned in King actually.
Wow.
But I was there the day that it happened.
No way.
Yeah.
I don't know if you
It
should.
wasn't wasn't my nurse, I checked.
Yeah, I was gonna say, like, did you conflict yourself out, or would you?
I mean, I didn't witness it, it wasn't at the time that I was there, it was a few hours after I was there, and, it wasn't my nurse, so my case, I wouldn't have to know.
That's crazy.
Yeah. It's just very surprising.
You know what that's gonna be? For what?
You know when that's scheduled?
When what's scheduled, like for PCC here? Sometime in early April, so sometime coming up. Like next week maybe. That's insane.
That was. Did you check, officers from Ryan came in here?
I know that,
Luke Hurtado's here?
I'm sure.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure it's gone.
I just gotta make sure I'm changed. Unless I'm just new subpoenas. Yeah, the security just called me on my cell phone, asking for something from yesterday. He was like, hey, I don't know if you want this on purpose. I just wanted to take it.
Sorry, it's up there to take off your personal number.
Oh, yeah. I've had a
Take off all your personal information. So
I've had a couple calls already.
so that works stuff only.
Yeah.
Like, I'll give my phone number out. Like something from attorneys, like I don't mind, but you don't want it out there for sure.
Yeah, Matthew, I was surprised you gave your phone number out.
That was my desk number. I don't care about my desk number. People can.
Cause I know, Blair never gives his number out. He just tell him his
I know that's
email.
Blair's personal preference. I won't give out I would never give out my personal number, but that's my desk line, so.
Oh, okay. I know he just gives his email.
Honestly, because if someone's calling me and it's someone that I have no obligation to return, like if a defendant calls me, I'm not even responding to their call. You know,
The defendant has called you?
I've had a defendant call me beforehand. I don't.
How many times?
A defendant?
Defendant called me, yeah.
Oh, wow.
I didn't even return the call.
What were
That's
they?
that's a possible, I mean, that's a possible ethics violation.
Oh, yeah.
Did
you say, was he just like, here, here's all?
This is back when I was in zoning on support.
Oh, okay.
And they kind of.
Next three defendants are here.
Prosecutors always kind of fills a different role. We kind of serve more.
And the attorney is here
More of a
on,
social worker kind of setting. We're not looking to prosecute. I believe there, we're just looking.
Other
Trying to get back on track kind of thing.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they're both. Right,
So,
yeah.
a little bit of a different role, and that's why they thought that I was trying to help them. I'm like, no, I still can't talk to you.
Still can't talk to you.
I hate the judge had to talk to that kid like that in front of his kid. He brought it on himself. Campbell.
Oh, I left out.
Oh, you messed up. You weren't there?
He started yelling, but then I left.
Oh, okay. And I started talking about why the case the judge was patient with him at first. He was like, over.
Oh, so he had a son there?
Yeah, he's oh, this is what happened. The judge told me at the police.
Right.
This supposed to go at 8:30. I got something to eat.
Right.
10:30. But then he didn't want to come in person. It's gonna be a Zoom. Because he's like, no, I'm not there.
Oh, the judge put Zoom on it.
You know, when you try to talk about it. The judge told him September. I got these on stuff. Yes, sir. And then he said, you know what, we can do this. Or like he said, just go out of here, you come over here, and you can do something from here. He got something else to do. He's like, That's what I
Oh.
call it. So he had his son. He was trying to take his kid, but he said to take my door. Right?
Oh, that's where he had to be at 10:30.
Yeah. But I know the son had to hear all that.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's probably good because the way he talking, man, he needs his son needs to know, or son or daughter need to know that he can't do that. Yeah, shut it down.
Then he shouldn't be having the case.
Right, exactly.
I tell you what.
But you know, he ain't doing all that. Social distance and taking kids to the taekwondo karate.
Right.
I just hate that his kid had to hear that. You know?
Yeah, I feel you.
But it could be a learning lesson for him. He can teach his kids, you gotta submit to authority.
You have to.
Lucky, right? What's going on, man? Man, I've been working hard today, man. Woo!
Hey, lucky. So nice of you to join us.
Oh, okay. How'd it go?
It went.
Yeah, okay.
Went up there.
You gonna
Second
live?
shot. I hope so.
Yeah.
As long as the Lord allows. How's it going today? I always look bad and
Kitty made me look. Kitty made me look. That's my virtual doctor appointment.
Uh-oh.
I said, I'm finna get on. She said, no, we bring this printer tonight. You gotta wait.
Uh-oh.
She said, reschedule it. No, I'm just kidding. No, I just told him to reschedule because he had me on hold right when the prisoner was coming up.
What person do we have to fill?
It's the same one, but it's just that he had to come up. They had to handle another matter, but it's still coming back at 2. Oh, okay, yeah. No, they were real nice about it. They say, just call us when you get a chance, because I put in there, a text on there, I'm in court now, I had to reschedule. Okay, just call us. I know he's waiting for
We write down.
Oh, that was my second shot. So.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you got your second?
Yeah. I'm fully vaccinated.
All right.
How are you feeling?
So far, so good.
I'm getting my second one on Friday.
Yeah, I just had mine, so.
It's gonna be the effects tomorrow.
Maybe not.
Kicks in.
It's funny, I had a niece, she took that first shot and she said it knocked her out.
Yeah, my cousin, she said, the first one, she didn't want to go get the second one.
Yeah.
She said the first one was so bad, and I was like, wow, that was just odd. You know, you normally hear the second one is worse than the first one, but she did end up going to get the second one.
Yeah. I didn't feel anything from the first one, other than the little soreness in my shoulder.
Yeah, you may be good.
Still hot in here though.
Yeah, it is.
So check this out.
That hasn't changed.
It's back. That's right. Simply Health. Oh, wow. Now, it's saying $1 program change will be only by $150. They said now I can get a match for $300. Okay.
Is that the same place?
Simply Health, I got the one for 18.
Okay, I'm gonna call them. That's not the same one they give them those social discounts.
Yeah, this one was giving me at this time.
You know that coupon thing?
Good at?
No, not good at. You know the one I had gave you about a year ago?
Yeah,
Oh, I thought they were here.
I wasn't good at it. It was for lanterns or.
Yeah, I am under their program. I had to go back to it. Look, because I can get it for 30,000.
All right, we had 11.
Yeah, 11:15.
Just had it on, it was on the case all day, so.
That's the attorney. Just find it out. Then 11:30. Yeah, that TV can. Yeah.
I need a waiver form.
You need a waiver. He need a waiver form. That would be a
Boiler?
Bowler.
There's two of them. Where's the other guy at?
This one's for Thomas.
Thomas Bowler.
Where's Tyrone?
Tyrone, that version, he's done.
Oh, we already did Tyrone?
Yeah, Tyrone is, yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. It's right on top.
Said he's out there. Oh, yeah, he's out there. Then we're gonna do a waiver.
You said it's on
It's gonna be a
top.
waiver.
Yeah, the left-hand side.
Right here. Thank you.
That's up there.
Yeah, just don't go far. Come on, come on, come on.
Yeah.
Yeah, but what end up? Oh, here's Kate. What movie he ready to make?
Who?
Tyrone Baker. He was telling me.
He's going to NDS.
Oh, okay. He was doing his own private practice.
Yeah.
Okay. The neighborhood defense. Okay. That's cool. And I know he's in
Yeah.
It looks like they actually did put a little note in
I guess, it might take away the overhead.
Yeah, I think that's what it is. He's probably has two cases. But with NDS, right now, you know, they got more attorneys over there.
But they pump your butt.
What they should do is.
And they
I
make
don't know how they get paid.
But they're waiting on it.
I don't think so. I could be wrong.
Well, at least he's cutting his overhead out, all his
Yeah.
space and all that.
Yeah.
Nah, I get it.
Some office and all that too.
Yeah. Because, well, they might be making it here, so like, Ed said, when they get across the street, everything stops.
Right.
I guess the judge coming out for some 11:15.
11:15.
Yeah, so come on.
Yeah, you can tell.
That's where Logan Diallo is also. So.
Just those two on this Diallo.
Are people here?
Yeah, right here. Stay in the hallway. I got
Reggie was the prosecutor in this.
It is.
No, I'm talking to myself. I'm not scared to say it when I'm talking to you.
We all do it.
Yeah.
All right. How many people here today? Well, start off with four. Need more. CJ Williams, Gary. Need more Gary. Jay Williams came today because she wasn't here. And Perry came, and Perry. Okay. That's what it started out with, and Jay Williams was here, but Cindy was supposed to be something. Is that true? Or mine? What he talking about? You know what? I don't know. I forgot to ask long about this. Nobody say nothing about it. You thought we said yeah.
Where's my May? May cases. Right.
It's two separate. Put my weight machine. I'm about to get my weight machine. Well, I get it through, good, all right. Or Is that place with our good RX right there? No, this is through something called Simply Health. That's hooked up through Blue Cross. Oh, okay. And I was getting it for $18, $20.
He's
and
not.
now they changed.
She's in the back.
They put you on. That new website.
You can't even raise that right there.
Yeah. I signed up for it and I was getting.
I mean, it's up to you. It's a matter of you catch them.
Right. But they would, but I don't see it.
Okay.
You remember that?
All right.
I don't think I hit it up because when my insurance switched, I was using that. Okay. But I think you did. You had 12 times you get it. So when the insurance was low, I'd buy it through insurance, but when our insurance wasn't kicking in, I would use those. Right. Morning, Ronald.
Ready on Thomas Boiler? Calling case number 20-59558, the people of the state of Michigan versus Thomas Boiler. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. Matter scheduled for examination.
Your Honor, that is so on behalf of the people, 383358.
Morning, Your Honor, Ali Shado, P 77614, on behalf of Mr. Bowler, who is present in this courtroom. Mr. Bowler, can you please state your name for the record?
Thomas Bowler, right?
Okay, thank you. Your Honor, today's scheduled for a preliminary exam. Mr. Bowler is going to waive his right to the preliminary exam.
Yeah, people have no objection to that. I do want to make a brief record that yesterday, the individual from the diversion unit did come to my office to pull this file for diversion to look at it. I do have a note on this file that says, okay, diversion, refer to WPP, which is referring to Bill PP, who's in charge of the diversion unit. There's a motion that says Dunmore ruling diversion and the date, like yesterday, date of April 6th of 2021. I do take this to mean that Mr. Bowler has been approved for diversion. There is no form in there that is the usual form that actually shows that he has been approved for diversion, but based on what I'm seeing on the front of the file, I believe that he has been.
All right, so you understand that you have a statutory right to come in exam where the state must show by probable cause a crime was committed and probable cause you had something to do with committing that crime. You understand that? Anybody promise you anything or threaten you in any way, you waive your right to come in exam. You waive your right freely and voluntarily after having the opportunity to talk to your attorney. I hear you. I said you waiving your right freely and voluntarily after having the opportunity to talk to your attorney.
Yes, sir.
Are you signing the waiver form?
Yes.
All right, Court of Finance, you freely and voluntarily waive your right to come in exam as filed over the Wayne County Circuit Court Criminal Division for arraignment of the information, the April 23rd. Have a something else.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Everybody signs so far.
I was, yeah,
Put this over.
I was with them with y'all for a while after last week. This is my first.
You're set, right?
Yes. Thank you. Appreciate that.
Thank you, guys. I expect you to get that email from Bill too.
Yeah. So this is not my first time getting.
I'm betting he just didn't send it yet, because it got done so late, it got done so late yesterday, probably doesn't, I didn't have time for it, or maybe he didn't see it.
And I know he's a little bit behind that.
Oh, yeah, they're crazy backlogs.
All right.
Yep, you can, have a good day. Bye.
Bye, you guys have a good day.
Have a good one.
All right, thank you. All right, all right. Ms. Diallo says she's gonna be about 5 minutes late.
was pulling up, and I noticed that, oh, my front. Right. It was up like, this is my wheel, up like, you're 10 point up top. All right, thankfully I was on the second floor too, so. Full, flooded, and the apartment complex was saying, well, it's not our fault. It's the city's fault. The city said, no, that's personal. There has to be a really large class action lawsuit. Flooded, like everyone lost like everything. You're on the first floor, you lost. You're on the first floor, and like the first quarter of the fourth, sixth, or sure exactly how it worked out. We just looked at the part. The city and the. Well, the other
You have no second call?
Yeah. Judge, well, let me ask, Kim, is Kim over there? Kim, what happened on Duran King? Judge, you didn't write nothing.
Ryan King.
Got an exam date, May 18th.
You said exam, what time, what?
May 18th to 2:15.
May 18th,
Was that Durant King or Brian?
Duran. At, you said 2:15, Kim?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you. Did you put in your notes, Judge?
Yeah.
That date and time?
May 18th to 2:15.
Yeah.
Yes.
I don't know, maybe, bless you.
Yeah, no, I don't know last minute. Let's go.
Probably just in the court, I'm still zooming from this morning at 9. Hold on one second.
Yeah, they're here.
Yeah, both my clients are here. Woo. How's everybody?
There's two,
It's
Judge.
hot. So Judge, I have a jacket now. I do, but it's kind of hot. Yeah, 313-719-8819. And of course, people want to talk to me. Lillian.
You got a case on it? Mhm. Mhm. Okay, it's been bound up.
Hi, Judge. I just wanted to come in and say hi to you.
Hi, how you doing?
I'm good. Can I come
Yeah.
approach?
No,
It's Emily.
it's bound up on
Hi, Kitty.
February 11th.
Oh.
How
Hi,
you
Kitty.
been?
I haven't seen you in a while. I got into practice. I'm well. How are you?
Yeah.
Good. Where they at now?
I was doing the felony DVDs and then now I'm doing the felony DVDs. So
Doing what?
I was doing the felony DVD docket and now I'm in the felony. And then I'm doing the DVD homicide. So you're off the DVD for a while now.
Here.
I know.
Did you have another case?
Yeah, how's it going? This is killing you because you love to move your docket.
Yeah.
You were the judge I thought, I was like, God, every adjournment must just be like a little twist of the.
You got a call.
Yeah, I know. Well, I can't wait till we're all just like practicing. I hate it.
Yeah. You rough for a while.
I know.
No, they haven't got anything across the street.
It's their case.
Oh,
So
no.
they're gonna-
Case.
I don't know what we're, I don't know.
I'm scheduling for exams in September now.
Yeah. But even that, they're not gonna put a trial till 2023 now.
Yeah, that's
I
their
told
circle.
my fiance, I was like, so I won't have any trials for like the next probably year, and then for the next like 3 years, I'm gonna do trials every day. Every day, because, you know, the idea is it's gonna be a retrial, if she's gonna serve her whole, she's gonna serve her whole life. She's gonna like, 10, and we're retrying homicide count on it, because the jury, they did all count, and we'll just, we'll walk into, after a like 60 trial. I didn't, I did like 1 year, 1 year, so now we have to try the homicide, but they couldn't find it. She wants to double down. And then the prosecutor who tried it, like, put me on this, like, 2 weeks later, he's probably like, I'm done. But it was good to see you guys. I'm gonna say hi. The next door. Hopefully I'll be in front of you soon.
All right.
Bye. Everybody
Bye-bye.
stay healthy.
You too.
So Judge, if it's a waiver, you want them to stand back here? We're waiting on gun board. Gun board.
There you go, Ms. Diallo. You want
Oh,
to sign?
yeah, here I come. I'll move my stuff. Yes, I'll move my stuff. You know, 2 hours travel. I'll put this right here, okay? I haven't done this in a while. It's a bolt file. You actually get to touch print. Okay, Judge, just so you know in advance, the apologies to this honorable court, right? Well, so where's Mr. Phillips? You read that, sign off that. He did not give you one.
Yeah, I'm not. This is my first, this is my second month in court.
Whenever you're ready, Ms. Diallo.
Thank you.
Oh.
I got the prosecutor, get you sign off, please. Yeah, that's great. Yeah, no, you just initial off the, yeah.
Just initial whatever.
Yeah, and the other one too. Yeah, they put on the same information. See there?
I was looking for a prosecutor's signature.
That's not, you'll learn all these nuances.
I know, every day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Calling case number 2060789, the people of the state of Michigan versus Duran Phillips. Defendant number 1 is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. The people of the state of Michigan versus Marcus Luss. Defendant number 2 is charged with count 2, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Thank you. Alex Curry on behalf of the people, Judge.
Just good morning with apology to you and your staff, Lillian Diallo, P52036, on behalf of Mr. Phillips, who is present, and Mr. Lutz, who is also present.
State your name, please. Phillips, you know, address the court. Why didn't you? Beg your pardon? I don't have the material for it. You don't have the material for it, what do you mean?
Yeah, Judge,
I
apparently,
have to give it to you.
right, I just told him, Judge, I could
That's
have.
what happened. You don't come to court dressed, I dress you. I have one way to do that. I send you Wayne County Jail, put you in green. It's a matter of respect. You want me to respect you, right? I want the same thing. The difference is, if you don't give me my respect, I take it. No, I just send you Wayne County Jail, they put you in green. You deal with it that way. You can get a shirt with a collar.
Sure.
All right? That's what you wear when you come to court. All right, Mr. Lutz, take your name, please.
Marcus Lutz.
Okay. All right, Mr. Gallo?
Oh, I'm sorry, Judge. Oh, I'm still so stunned. And just so the court recognizes, I did tell my clients after I recognized it, even when it's 100 degrees, I have a jacket to put on, right? Even though I'm a female. So they will have that conversation and they're very sorry, but this is the date and time set for a preliminary exam where the government must show probable cause that a crime was committed, probably by each one of these individuals on the information in the city of Detroit and county of Wayne. Understanding that that is what the government must do right now. We are waiving this exam and asking the court to bind over to circuit court. One of the defendants is eligible for HIDA, and the other one diversion. So I'm waiting to hear back on any of those.
Gentlemen, you understand that you have a statutory right to a preliminary exam where the state must show by probable cause a crime was committed, and by probable cause you had something to do with committing that crime. Mr. Phillips, you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Has anybody promised you anything or threatened you in any way to get you to waive your right to preliminary exam? Mr. Phillips?
No, sir.
All right. You waiving your exam freely and voluntarily after having an opportunity to talk to your attorney about it. Phillips?
Yes, sir.
All right. And both of you signed the waiver examination form, is that correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Court will find that you freely and voluntarily waive your right to preliminary exam, that is bound over the Wayne County Circuit Court Criminal Division for rating on the information, which should be April 21st, 2021 at 9:00 a.m.
Thank you so much, Your
All
Honor.
right, thank you. Bond continue.
I'll be up here because I gotta get this one. Okay, so wait outside, please. Can you believe I'm still in court? This is from that, right?
How did you do it that second shot?
Huh?
How did you do it?
So, I'm at the second shot, because I stayed up till 3, 5 and stuff, right? And got back up at 6 and did not hydrate. I felt like a train hit me, but, my husband he drugged me. I was sending text out, he's over here drugging me because I was delirious, right? So long as you sleep and drink plenty of water, you're good. Everybody else in my house was good, right? Everybody else. So just make sure.
Well, I had mine, I had both of them.
How did the second one do?
The second one, I had it on a Friday, like a 3.
Yeah, me too.
I was fine Friday, no problem, and I was hydrating, drinking. Saturday morning, I couldn't get out of bed.
That was somebody else.
I had a fever.
Yes, me
100,
too.
203. The body pain.
It didn't hurt. That was the most awful I've ever felt. Every part of my body.
Chills.
Every single part.
The worst part for me was weakness, body weakness.
Yes.
And it's like just trying to get up.
Yeah, really. But then it was better than being on a ventilator. But that second shot, everybody else was fine, bouncing around, right? When I tell you, I got stuck. I got the bright idea to get the tub, because I was cold with the fever. I can get up there. It's like, call the fire department, do something. Okay, everybody right here. Boy, y'all just don't know my pain good time. But I do apologize to the court.
Thank you.
And y'all stay safe too, okay? Because you hear people that are vaccinated, now they're coming back. A couple of them got the coronavirus.
Yeah.
Fully vaccinated, 240 some people in Michigan. That came out yesterday.
Wow.
I think they can hate that. Yes, sir. Is it not one day?
No, he sings this.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here for Mr. Bari, but Mr. Rockine is going to conduct the hearing remotely. There is.
Your Honor, we're just checking to see if our witness is here.
All right.
Who is it? Who is this, Josh?
This is, Murray. Tony Murray,
Oh,
the last one for this morning.
Judge, with your permission, may I sit next to Mr. Bari while the hearing is ongoing?
No, we have to maintain this seat.
Understood.
huh? Oh, that way. Wait. Yeah, so this is the last
We'll
one.
do the last one for the morning.
Yeah.
Yep.
Is this yours, man?
It is. Alex is checking the hallway to see if our speaker is here.
You call it.
Calling case number 2058811, the people of the state of Michigan versus Tony Bari. Defendant is charged with count 1, operating with a high VAC, third offense notice felony. Count 2, operating while intoxicated, third offense notice felony. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Matthew Soloff on behalf of the people, PA3358.
Neil Rockeye, 618 on behalf of Tony Bari, Your Honor.
Nolan Aaron Jerry of Rockine Law, P72122 on behalf of Mr. Bari. Mr. Bari is present behind me, Your Honor.
Okay.
Barry, state your name, please.
Tony with Chief Murray. Your Honor, the seven people are not ready to proceed or complaining witness, this judge was here and not explain that.
I move to dismiss, Your Honor.
All right, man, dismiss without prejudice.
Thank you, Your Honor.
No, he posted on.
Need a dismissal for the council?
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Do you have the Moderna or Pfizer shots, Your Honor?
Moderna. Yeah, Moderna. Are you taking them?
I know.
Yes, I've had both.
He should have been in jail.
Which one?
Moderna.
Moderna, did it affect you?
The first shot really I was really tired after the first shot. The second shot, not so much, but I don't know if there was just a lot going on, but the first shot I was absolutely tired. I mean, I'm not one of those people that takes a nap like in the middle of the day, but you know, I took it at 3 o'clock and got home like at 4:30 or 5. I thought it was very efficient. It was very efficiently done. Everybody's very professional. Got the shot, came home and just crashed.
Yeah, well, I was opposite. The first shot didn't bother me at all. The second shot did knock me on my tail, you know, about 30 hours. And after that, it was like nothing happened.
I'm sorry, go ahead.
The whole weekend. You got it on a Friday and then had it the whole weekend where you kind of knocked around.
Yep. Yep. After that weekend, Monday morning, because I was thinking, well, man, you know, I haven't had a sick day here in I don't know how many years. I said, well, I'm gonna have to call in Monday. But I woke up Monday morning, it was like I had never taken it. It was fine.
Wow. Well, fortunate that you got it and that, you know, you're all right. There was something else. I have the guy that I told you about, he told me about what was going on at the hospital. He said the hospital was just, I hadn't heard the hospitals were overrun, but apparently the waiting room is filled with people who just appear to have a lot of comorbidities. So, you know, so I was, and that's at Beaumont where I had not heard that they had that amount of traffic. So, you know, and now it's mutating and mutating and mutating. So who knows?
Right.
Anyway, take care, Your Honor. Thank you.
Where it's going, I figure eventually it's gonna hit somebody. It's gonna hit I guess, call the wrong person. And it's gonna mutate, it's just gonna be, it's gonna go airborne and everybody's gonna have it. Whether or not it affects everybody is gonna be a whole different question.
It's stunning how we're still dealing with this, you know, a year and a half later. Stunning. So, may be well, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay, you too, take care.
So Judge, in arraignments downstairs, that Alexander Pascal was a remand.
Was it remand?
Yeah, apparently he KPS 10/27/20 and you remanded him.
Oh, that wasn't the first case.
Yeah, it looked like.
Well, he was on video, how did he remand? He was telling me to remand, he got turned something?
Well, the thing, this case was Judge Jones's case, and then it got transferred to you. But your first, hearing with him, he didn't show up, and you KPS'd him and put a remand. I don't know why you put a remand, I wasn't here that day. But it says remand in the system. So he's on Zoom. While he was on Zoom, is he came down here. They canceled the warrant and set it for a bench warrant. So he should have turned himself in, but for some reason they canceled the warrant, and then that's why he's here on the bench. But they want to know if you want to keep the remand or what do you want to do.
What's the charge?
It's a stolen property, receiving and concealing a motor vehicle.
Oh, yeah?
And count 2, motor vehicle unlawful use. Huh? Okay. I don't know what they do downstairs. I don't know what they do downstairs. That should have never happened.
Are we doing that or is it going somewhere else?
It was down, he had never been arraigned, he has to be arraigned first.
Okay. I think we're done.
Yeah.
So the
2 o'clock? 2 o'clock, 1:30, what time? 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock.
Yeah.
Judge, that guy brought it on his cell phone.
Oh, I got it. Sorry.
You know, you had to tell him, but it was probably good for the kid to hear that, because that kid's gonna grow up, he see his dad doing that. But, man, that guy was something else.
Yeah, I mean, folks, get on there, they forget.
Still
They're actually in a courtroom, they think they're on social media, so he can run his mouth, say what they want to say. No, it don't work that way. Don't work that way.
That's probably good because, you know, even if his kid is hear it and see it in the back seat, then that'll learn him that you just can't, you gotta respect authority.
Right.
I can get that guy, you know.
2 o'clock to 1.
2 o'clock. Well, he said he wanted to do his own because he wanted the social distance, right? But he only he's driving to the right.
Right.
All right, that's it.
Oh.
Okay, we'll see you guys too.
Yeah, thanks.
All right.